In a cozy little home lived Sunny and Ray. They loved their room, their toys, and all things bright. But these days, they hardly looked up. They just tapped and swiped and tapped again from morning light to sleepy night. Sunshine peeked through the window, birds chirped, and clouds danced in the sky. But Sunny and Ray, they didn't even notice. They were too busy with their screens. One morning, Mom walked in with a smile. She said, "Time for a little break. Let's go outside for goodness sake." Ray looked up with a frown. "But games are fun. We don't want to go around." But Mom just smiled and slowly opened the door. And whoosh! A breeze flew in across the floor. She winked and said, "Step outside. You might find more fun than you think." So Sunny and Ray stepped out into the yard. The grass felt cool beneath their feet. The sun tickled their faces. And the world, it suddenly felt alive. They ran after a colorful kite, kicked a bouncy ball high into the air. They laughed, they chased and raced around, giving it their all without a care. Sunny found a bouncy rope and started skipping. Ray climbed up a tree like a jungle explorer. They tied up white bed sheets and built a tent, pretending to be pirates on a great big adventure. Ray suddenly gasped, "Oh wow, I almost forgot my tablet game." Sunny giggled. "This is way better. Outside fun is the best kind." They grabbed the chalk, drew rainbows on the ground, laid back and counted the clouds floating by. Mom peeked from the kitchen window and said, "I see 2 happy kids out there." And from that day on, they made a special rule. First a little phone time, then lots of backyard time. They still watched shows, still played some games, but sunshine, that had brighter flames. Every day they would laugh, run and play, chasing sunbeams in every way. They meet new friends from down the street, played tag, hide and seek, and games so on. At night, they would yawn, stretch wide and deep, dreaming of all the fun before falling asleep. The phones still waited. But now, outside play was the real fun. Now, Sunny and Ray, oh, they knew what to do. A little screen, but so much more outdoor. And guess what? You can too. Just open your door, look around, and explore. Let's play, let's laugh, and let's run today. Because outside is where all the fun begins. The end. To view more of Happy Good Stories, subscribe to Happy Kids channel.